Hi friends, this is Susan Morris coming to you today from the woods in the White Mountains. We just hiked up to the top of Mount Eisenhower and we're on our way back down, and I'm just among all of this beautiful moss and lichen and plants. And so On the Trail with Susan is my new series starting November 4th, and I hope that you'll join me. The first series in November, four Thursdays, starting November 4th, will be all about the importance of getting grounded and how to get grounded. And getting grounded is about getting connected back in with Earth's magnetic field. And we do that by being outside and by being in a place like this. For many people in the world who spend a lot of time inside at computers, walking on concrete and asphalt, or in their cars, it's really easy to get disconnected from Earth's magnetic field. It's really important because as human beings, we're mammals, we're part of nature. We're not separate from nature. We've just separated ourselves off from nature. So I'm going to be teaching you about the importance of getting grounded and some quick and easy tools that you can use in your everyday life to get grounded when you're not able to get out to a place like this on a regular basis. So I hope to see you there, and sending you big love wherever you are. Bye.